Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome back to another explainer. Today, we're taking a magnifying glass to the wild, fascinating, and honestly, sometimes completely hidden world of online marketing. We've got a really unique opportunity here. We're going to deconstruct the anatomy of a massive digital product launch, specifically a product called Commission Machine AI. But here's the fun part. We aren't just looking at the public sales page. No, we've got our hands on both the public-facing pitch that the everyday consumer sees and the secret back-end mechanics that the affiliate marketers see behind the scenes. When you put these two things side by side, man, it is an absolute masterclass in how modern digital sales engines are truly built. Whether you're someone who buys digital products or you're trying to sell them yourself, understanding this hidden machinery is going to completely change how you view the internet. To really get what this product is doing, we first have to talk about the massive, agonizing pain point it's targeting. If you've ever tried to sell literally anything online, you know this frustration. You hustle, you grind, you spend hours, maybe days, just to get a few precious eyeballs on your website or your affiliate link. And then, crickets. Those hard-earned clicks turn into absolutely zero sales. It's so demoralizing. Well, the consumer sales page for Commission Machine AI hits that exact nerve. They make the argument that most beginners get totally obsessed with traffic, thinking that a flood of visitors will just magically fix their bank account. But, as they rightly point out, if you don't actually know how to turn that traffic into a buyer, pouring more people into a broken system is just going to equal more wasted time. So, how do they claim to fix this? Well, they introduce something they call a commission mechanism. The whole pitch here is that you absolutely shouldn't be sending raw, cold traffic straight to a product offer. That's a rookie mistake. Instead, you drop an intermediary step right in the middle, in this case, an AI-powered bonus page. This middleman page is strategically designed to grab attention, crank up the buyer's desire, and give them a massive reason to buy before they ever even look at the final sales page. By stacking up extra value and warming up that cold traffic, the idea is that by the time they finally click through to the offer, their wallets are already out. All right, here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the affiliate marketing dilemma. Second, the AI commission solution. Third, we're peeling back the curtain. Fourth, we'll dive into the deep sales funnel. And finally, number 5, the psychology of the pitch. Let's kick things off with Section 1, the affiliate marketing dilemma, and really dig into why traffic just isn't enough anymore. This before and after concept is the absolute heart of their pitch to the consumer. They're going right after the old school way of doing affiliate marketing. You know, the before scenario where struggling beginners just grab an affiliate link and spam it everywhere praying someone buys. The after scenario introduces that crucial missing puzzle piece, the commission mechanism. The creators are basically saying, hey, with our AI in the middle, you don't need 10,000 visitors. You just need to get way better at converting the 50 people who are already showing up. For a beginner who is totally burnt out on trying to get traffic, this is a huge sigh of relief, right? It makes success feel actually doable. Now, the sales page lists out all the classic traffic sources we all know: YouTube, email lists, social media, paid ads, SEO. But here's the clever twist. They reframe them. They emphasize that all of these things are just opportunities. Getting the eyeballs is literally just step 1, and it absolutely does not guarantee you a commission. They ask the buyer a really provocative question: how much money are you actually extracting from the traffic you already have? It's a brilliant way to make the buyer suddenly realize their current game plan is flawed, which creates an instant burning need for the exact software they're selling. Moving right along to Section 2, the AI commission solution. Let's look at how the vendors actually prove to potential buyers that this software isn't just snake oil. They do it by dropping some truly massive numbers. For example, they highlight that one of the creators, Crowe, who they position as this massive traffic guru, recently ran a sales funnel that pulled in a staggering $170,000 in just 5 days. Boom. That is meant to establish unquestionable credibility right out of the gate. Psychologically, hitting you with a number like that shatters skepticism. It instantly flips the buyer's brain from, does this even work, to, holy cow, how much of this can I get for myself? And then there's the other creator, Nicholls. They point out that he generated over 40,000 individual sales on a single $7 funnel. I mean, just let the sheer volume of that sink in for a second. 40,000 sales. And they beat the drum heavily that these insane numbers were built using the exact bonus page strategies packaged inside this product. It's the ultimate proof of concept. We use this, we made a fortune, now it's your turn. It all really boils down to this one punchy line from their sales page. Traffic gets people through the door, but conversion is what gets you paid. Honestly, it perfectly sums up their entire front-end consumer pitch in just a few words. But this is where things get really interesting. It's time for us to flip the script and see what's actually happening on the other side of this launch. Let's dive into Section 3, peeling back the curtain. We are officially leaving the consumer sales page behind and looking at the joint venture or JV invitation. This is the hidden playbook used to recruit other marketers to push this product. See, to the regular consumer, this is pitched as a cheap $12.95 magic fix for their traffic woes. But to the affiliate marketers being recruited behind the scenes, it is an entirely different beast. The real powerhouse of this launch isn't just the AI software, it's a wildly aggressive financial incentive structure. In this industry, joint venture networks are basically massive syndicates of marketers who agree to promote each other. The whole goal is to make the recruitment engine so insanely lucrative that hundreds of these affiliates will blast their email lists at the exact same time, creating a massive tsunami of traffic on launch day. Just look at the math on this commission structure. It's wild. The vendors are offering affiliates a full 100% commission on the front-end sale. That means if an affiliate sells the $12 product, they keep every single penny of it. The creators make literally nothing on that first transaction. Now, you might be thinking, why on earth would they do that? Well, it's because that cheap initial product is essentially just bait. Its only purpose is to acquire a highly qualified buyer's email address and drag them into the back-end machine, while heavily rewarding the affiliate for doing the dirty work of getting them through the door.
And to make sure those affiliates actually send the emails, this whole thing is orchestrated with military precision. Check out this launch timeline. They literally hand the affiliates pre-written emails and tell them exactly when to send them. Teasers on day -1. Boom, day 1, the cart opens and a dime sale starts. Day 2, follow-up proof emails. And running through this entire 6-day sprint is a massive cash contest. These marketers aren't just doing this for the commission, they are battling it out for leaderboard dominance and huge cash prizes. That competitive gamification is exactly why your inbox gets absolutely hammered during these launches.
Okay, so if the vendors give away all the money on the front end, where's the actual profit? Let's get into Section 4, the deep sales funnel, because this right here is where the real money is made. Look at this massive 8-step gauntlet. The second a consumer buys that cheap $12 software, they are immediately hit with a $17 order bump before they even check out. It's pure impulse psychology. Then, post-purchase, they are dropped into a sequence of one-time offers, or OTOs. OTO 1 is $37, OTO 3 is $47, and it scales all the way up to a $497 done-for-you package at OTO 6. Every single one of these pages is perfectly designed to counter buyer fatigue by promising faster, easier, or more automated results. Every page solves a problem, but conveniently opens the door to the next, more expensive upgrade. When you add the whole thing up, the true full funnel value of a single buyer going through the system isn't $12.95, it's a staggering $771.95. This is the true hidden architecture of the digital marketing space. That cheap front-end product is literally just the tip of the iceberg. The real revenue engine is completely submerged beneath the surface, totally invisible to the buyer until they're already strapped into the ride. And this is exactly why affiliates push this stuff so incredibly hard, because they get 50% of all those back-end upsells. An affiliate can potentially walk away with nearly $400 from a single buyer who originally just wanted a tiny $12 tool. Just think about that jump, from $12 to almost $400. It perfectly explains the sheer volume of promotional emails you get. They aren't spamming you for the $12, they're spamming you for the $400 waiting for them at the end of the maze. Finally, let's wrap up with Section 5, the psychology of the pitch, and look at how they engineer absolute urgency. It's a very clinical 3-step methodology. Step 1, the blind hook. Give them just enough curiosity, but keep the price super low so it's a no-brainer to buy. Step 2, the dime sale. This is huge. It means the price actually goes up by a few pennies every single time someone buys a copy. And Step 3, provide the affiliates with done-for-you email swipes. This removes literally all the friction. Affiliates don't even have to write their own emails. It's just a brainless copy and paste operation to start printing money. Just look at the actual copy they give the affiliates to send out. Right now, it's just $12.95 on a dime sale, so the price goes up with every sale. The longer you wait, the more you pay. Lock it in now. It is pure concentrated FOMO, fear of missing out. This language is literally engineered to bypass your logic. It stops you from thinking, wait, do I actually need this? And throws you into a panic of, if I don't buy this right this second, I'm literally losing money. It forces the credit card out of the wallet today, not tomorrow. Which leaves us with a pretty fascinating question to chew on. When you step back and look at the sheer effort, the massive cash incentives, and the complex funnels built entirely to recruit these JB partners, in the world of affiliate marketing, who is the real customer? Is it the beginner buying the $12 software hoping to finally get some blog traffic? Or is the real customer actually the affiliate marketer who is being heavily incentivized to feed everyday buyers into this high-ticket machine? Hey, we aren't here to judge it, just to understand it. It is a brilliant, highly optimized ecosystem, and it definitely changes how you look at the internet, right? Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and hopefully you'll see those invisible gears turning the next time you click a promo link.